Welcome, in this video we will see web development programming languages. You can skip this video, it's not that important, but many students suggested me to add this video. Many students suggested me to mention the web programming language as they don't have any idea about web development programming languages. So one of the most basic web programming language is HTML. As I said in before video, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is used to create basic web page. This is how the codes of HTML look. HTML is full of tags. HTML is a very basic web programming language. You can do lots more basic things inside that, but not advanced thing. For that they have introduced HTML4 and HTML5. They will keep on updating with the new version of HTML. To start web development, I feel HTML is the best and a hacker should have idea about HTML. Next is PHP. PHP is server-sided scripting language designed for web development but also used as general-purpose programming language. This is how the codes of PHP looks. PHP stands for Personal Homepage Tools. This is how the syntax of PHP looks. PHP gets updated with new version every year or every quarter. Right now you can get the latest PHP 7.1 version. PHP is not just standalone, it extends with MySQL. If you want to maintain the data in website, then you have to use PHP with MySQL to maintain the data in the website. Like in Facebook, they maintain your chats and your timeline using MySQL. SQL stands for Standard Query Language. The next one is JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most popular and dynamic programming language used for creating and developing websites. This is how the codes of JavaScript look. This language is capable of controlling the browser, editing content on a document that has been displayed, allowing client-side scripts to communicate with user and also synchronize communication. The next one is Python. Python is highly used and all-purpose programming language which is dynamic in nature. Being dynamic in nature means that you as a developer can write and run the code without the need of compiler. The design of the language is such that it supports code readability, which means that its syntax is such that only a few lines of codes are needed to express a point or a concept. Some of the apps that are powered by Python are Instagram and Pinterest. Web platforms such as Google, NASA and Yahoo do support Python. Last but not least, Ruby is also one among web development programming language that is used for creation or programming of mobile apps and websites. Ruby is highly scalable language and it is also open source like PHP. If you want to become developer on Ruby, you have to equip yourself with the knowledge of Ruby on Rails. Ruby is mostly used in web servers where there is a lot of web traffic. The platforms which make use of Ruby are Hulu, Twitter and Scribd. There are still many more web development programming languages like Go, Perl, Java, C++. But those I mentioned here directly deal with web development. If you want to become a pro hacker, you should have a good idea about all these programming languages. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.